The president, who was accompanied by other top Kenyan leaders, including Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi, said his government will now focus on boosting investment through increased capital flows in order to provide more opportunities for Kenyans. He said the government was intentionally capital markets to make them efficient and vibrant in recognition that they power the economy. Among those present were Trade CS Moses Kuria, Foreign Affairs CS Dr. Alfred Mutua, and National Treasury CS Professor Juguna Ndumu.
You made it! Yes, thank you.
Great opportunity for us.
On a typical day, that was the most highly viewed news event in the world.
Okay.
So, when this opening was the largest opening in the country, Mr. President, so you can imagine what it was like here. Thank you very much. It's an honor. Thank you very much. And this you'll see it is a real bell, and it's a very special place.
Meanwhile, the president also met with the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres. The meeting was held at the UN General Assembly in New York, where the president has been visiting at the sidelines of the ongoing US and African leaders meeting.
I'm even better knowing that you come here.
Thank you.
What an enormous pleasure to receive.
This is my Minister for Foreign Affairs.
Very nice to meet you.
So let's take out our masks.
Okay.
Now, more than 4,000 families staring at starvation in Balambala and Nagdera sub-county in Garissa got a